Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for pre-ordering the book, The Paper Solution. I'm recording this in the beginning of January, and for those of you that are pre-ordering the book all the way in the beginning of 2020, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't even have the book yet myself. This is the book right now. It's a manuscript. Here's the cover. This is how early we are in our pre-release. Putnam is like, I can't believe you're gonna do a pre-release this early, but I know you. I mean, I feel like I know you. You know me, and you feel like I don't know you, but I feel like I do know you. Like, you are the Organized 365 raving fans. You support me by downloading the podcast. You send me awesome emails. You comment on all of the social media. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I have pre-ordered a couple of books myself. It means so much to the author when you do so. It shows the publisher that we really do have a tribe of people that want to bring this book to market. And I want to deliver great value for you. So today in this video, I'm going to take you through my personal Sunday basket. This is my personal Sunday basket. I'm going to show you how they are labeled. Remember, we are recording this in the beginning of January 2020, and I change my labels often. So you'll see this is how I'm going to be running my home for the first part of 2020.